Let's do a Sephora unboxing. Okay, now it's an unboxing because I only got one thing. Yeah, I'm really broke. Do y'all explain to me why this receipt is so long? I literally got one thing. Like, excuse me? Now what I got... This is my first thing from Glow Recipe. Oh my gosh, so pretty.